Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the martial arts Fortnite lesson. In this lesson today, we're going to learn some awesome martial art moves. And before we get started, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, because at the very end of the video, I'll be announcing a very special giveaway. Let's get started. Chariot, Kenya. Awesome. Starting with jumping jacks, repeat after me. I'm going to say Hana, do it, set, net, toss it, yas it, irgo, either, a hope. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. Awesome. Start swinging your arms like this. Ready? Even say Hana, doer, set, net, toss it, yas it, irgo, either, a hope. Yeah, awesome, good. All right, now this time grab your wrist like this. Start rotating your wrists, wrist them out. Ready? I'm gonna say Hana, doer, set, net, toss it. Good. Now go the other way. Yas it, irgo, either. I hope. Yeah, nice. Last warm-up stretch. We're going to rotate our hips just like this. We're going to do some kicking today. I'm going to say Hana, doer, set, net, toss it, yas it, irgo, either, I hope. Yeah, awesome. All right, shake it all out. Shake it all out. Good. Chariot, Kenya. Awesome. All right, we're going to practice some traditional stances first today. Okay, we're going to practice, everyone say front stance. Good. Nice. Now everyone say back stance. Awesome. All right, so here's how we do a front stance. Before we do that though, we're gonna do this. Chariot. Good. When I say junbi, 1 foot apart, both hands up, and we're gonna punch both hands down like this, so you can be the fastest. Chariot. Good. Junbi. Awesome. All right, so we're gonna practice a low block first. So whenever you take your left arm, cross it on top like this. We're gonna take a step forward with this leg. Low block. Now, when we do a low block, we're gonna make a front stance. That means we're gonna bend this knee and keep this back leg locked. Low block. Awesome. All right, now I'm gonna aim with this hand, and we're gonna throw a reverse punch. Punch. Awesome. Good. Again, low block. Good. Aim. Punch. Good. Nice. Low block. Good. Aim. Punch. Awesome. Good. One more time. Low block. Aim. Punch. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Very, very good work. All right, let's do the other side now. Ready? We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go low block with our right arm, and then reverse punch with our left arm, okay? Ready? Everyone go low block. Good, bending that front knee. Now aim, reverse punch. Good job, ready? Low block. Good, aim, reverse punch. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, low block. Good, aim, reverse punch. Awesome, good. 2 more times, ready, go, low block. Good, aim, reverse punch. Good, nice, 1 more time, low block. Good, aim, reverse punch. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Good. Down low. Too slow. Down low. Too slow. Down low. Nice. Nice. Good job. Good job. Awesome. Now, we went over front stance. Now we're going to go over back stance. I'm going to say back stance. Awesome. Okay. So when we do a back stance, we're going to take 1 foot. We're going to take it back, and we're going to bend this knee. Now, notice, if you look at my feet here, it's like an L shape. So I have 1 foot pointing out here, the other foot pointing straight into my back stance, okay? So let's practice that. 1 foot back, 1 foot in front, and we're gonna practice a side block, okay? So a side block's like this. You have your knuckles facing towards me like this, bending your arm, kind of like you're flexing your muscle, right? We're gonna do a side block just like this. Awesome. All right, now we're gonna be in our back stance, and then from here, we're gonna aim, and we're gonna keep our back stance and punch from here, okay? Let's try that. It's a little tricky. Ready? Side block. Aim, punch. Good. Side block. Aim, punch. Good. Nice. I know your legs are burning. It's okay. Side block. Aim, punch. Good. Nice. 2 more. Side block. Aim, punch. Good. Make sure that weight's in the back knee. 1 more. Side block. Aim, punch. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Let's do the other side now. Ready? So we're going to go leaning back on the other side, bending that back knee, throwing that side block position. Good. Ready? Aim, punch. Awesome. Good job, everyone. Side block. Aim. Punch. Awesome. Good job. Good job. 3 more times. Side block. Aim. Punch. Awesome. Good job. Good job. 2 more. Side block. Aim. Punch. Good. Nice. Good job, you guys. 1 more. Side block. Aim. Punch. Awesome. Very good work today, everyone. High five. Good, good, good job. Awesome. All right. You guys ready to play a game today? Oh, I don't believe you. Yes, yes, sir. Really loud. Yes, sir. Awesome. Okay, here's the game we're going to play. Chariot. Good. Kenya. Awesome. All right, so this is going to be the Fortnite setting up the building game. So here's what's gonna happen, okay? There's gonna be some enemies that are gonna be shooting at us. Now what we must do is we must either do a low block or a side block depending on where the attacks are coming from, okay? Now every time we do a low block, okay, what's gonna happen is that it's gonna bring a wall that protects the lower side of our fort. Whenever we do a side block, it's gonna protect the higher side of our fort. So we gotta make sure we block both sides. We gotta make sure we block our back as well. So we gotta do both low blocks on both sides and side blocks on both sides. Does that make sense? Awesome. All right, ready? Let's get started. Ready? Junbi. Awesome. Okay, so as soon as we see an enemy coming towards us, if it's coming down low, we gotta throw a low block here. If it's on this side, we go low block here. If it's on up high towards our head, we're gonna back stance side block here, or we're gonna side block here. Okay, does that make sense? Awesome. All right, let's give it a try. Ready, and low block. Good, nice. Back to position. Ready, low block. Good, good job, you guys. And side block. Good, nice, good job. Side block. Good, nice, good job. Side block. There you go, good. Remember, maybe unpredictable pattern. Ready, low block. Good, nice, good job. Low block. Good, nice, good. Side block. Good, nice, good job. Side block. Good, good job. Low block. Good, good work. Low block. Good, awesome. All right, they're gonna come a lot faster now. Ready? Get ready to be fast. Ready? Side block. Good, side block. Good, side block. Good, side block. Good, low block. Good, low block. Good, low block. Good, low block. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Very, very good job today. Haven't you yet? Can you? Awesome. All right, let's see who won the contest today. All right, parents, if this is your child's name, or kids, if this is your username, send me a message on the About page section of my channel to get your contact information. You guys won a free month of Dojo Go TV. Congratulations, okay? Awesome job, you guys. Check yet? Can you? Awesome. All right, see you all next time. Bye-bye.
Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way. Members on the app will be able to join a weekly Zoom lesson that meets every Saturday at 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Our app is also available on Roku devices as well as computers. If you're ready to start, click the link below to join our program now.